this week, and then we will do our meal planning. Stay with me if you're interested. Hey y'all, it is Erica with Time to Shrink. Let me just tell y'all, I have to be real. I went to Walmart with zero list. I haven't meal planned yet for this week. I'd been out of town. I always meal plan and then shop. I don't do it the way I did it today, but it is what it is. We are going to wing the meal plan based on what we have. Mostly what I bought is for breakfast and lunches, and I plan just to use what we have in the freezer, fridge, and pantry for our dinners. So that's the plan. Alright, just got back from Walmart. We got lots of junk and lots of keto. It's Halloween tomorrow and my kids are having a party. So I bought Doritos, candy corn. I got some Sprite Zero and other things like that for drinks that aren't in this picture. These were 99 cents. I thought they were cute, so they can eat off of those. I'm probably just going to get them pizzas. This goes in my daughter's costume. She's going to be a burnt out mama. It's going to be so cute. I know parents giving out candy are going to get a kick out of it. Some eggs for egg casserole. These are salad. Some flat out. This is for my kids' wraps for lunches. This chorizo sausage is for the egg bake that I'm making. Watch Autumn Keto. She made a Mexican casserole egg casserole that looks so good, so I'm making that. These are jalapenos for that. My favorite like Mexican type dressing. It's called guacamole salsa. So good. Some pumpkin to make some more pumpkin stuff. For kids' lunches, uncured salami and some 2 packs of ham. Some cheese for kids' quesadillas for lunches, some heavy cream, and some macadamia nut milk. I've never had that before and I'm anxious to try it. Stuff for quesadillas, lots of corn tortillas, some cheese to shred up, some pimento cheese for my son, some extra sharp cheddar cheese slices for everybody. That is it. Alright y'all, let's do meal planning. I have done it backwards this week. Like I said, I bought my groceries and then I made my meal plan, which is not the way to do it, but that's what happened this week and I tried to make the best of it. I may still need to go to the store and get a few more things, but let me show you what I got. So let me grab it. I love to do it on graph paper. This is my meal plan for the week. I plan out Monday through Sunday. It just works better for me. And then I write what I'm going to do for my meal prep day, things that I'm going to film food-wise, and then my groceries. This week, Monday, beef roast, veggies, and salad. Tuesday, leftovers. Wednesday is pizza because the kids are having friends over and I'll just have leftovers of the beef roast probably. Thursday, pork rind, coated pork chops, and a Caesar salad. Friday is date night for Jason and I. Steak date night in. Saturday, I'm going to be out of town with my daughter for soccer over Saturday night into Sunday. So Sunday, I am planning to do something simple, taco night, so that I can get my meal prepping done as well. And then the things I'm planning to make. I keep putting these pecan pralines on here, y'all, and I still haven't made them. So we'll see. Maybe we'll get to those this week. Kids' lunches, breakfast casserole, buffalo dip are 3 things that I make every week. Felt like having some sausage balls, so I'm going to make that. I need to get some more cheese shredded and crush up some pork rinds. I'm planning to make some pumpkin cookies, and hopefully we'll get to these pecan pralines if I even have pecans left. My family may have